Hello, good day. I just want to show or demonstrate how to develop three parts of the here. So on here, as you can see, we can have 8-inch length shaft part of the hook and 4.75 lengths of the threaded part. You can search for this type of thread. You can search the exact size, the sizing, the details of the profile. So here I just want to just show you how to make the thread. So here what I'm going to do is just go to mechanical design, part design. So the So on this plane, let me just make the shaft one, the big shaft, which is 8 mm, I mean 8 inch. So the diameter is, I don't know, the diameter is, around 3. Yeah, it's around 3 inch or 2. Okay, so here let's take as it is. So the length is 8, right? So on this shaft, on this from here to here 4.7, I'm going to make a thread. So what I'm going to do is on this I need to have a reference, a point reference actually. So let me just again create just a threaded part. I mean the point here. I want to have a reference here. So in order to do that, the point should be on this top. Let me just project this edge to a line so I can create a point here, this point and this end of that line should be on that part. So after having this, of course, maybe you may not need this one. So after having this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the helix so that I can determine the pitch and all this. So here on the bottom, you can search for helix, right? So if you click, oh, I have to, yeah, exit the, I have to exit sketch workbench. So what I'm going to do is helix, yes. So you have the sketch is there, the starting point is there because when it's starting point here, the axis, the axis, I think you can have this axis, this is the center one, is obvious. So what is a pitch? So we need to know the pitch. The pitch, we need to approximately know the pitch. So here, what I'm going to do is for such diameter, which is this is around 3 inch. We did the shaft is 3 inch. So for 3 inch, what is a pitch? The pitch you can search it here. Maybe 3 inch shaft 3 thread. Things for 3 inch, or you can search it actually. So for 3 inch, it's going to be around 0.12. Yeah, so it's going to be 0.12 pitch, right? 0.12 pitch. The height, the length of the helix is going to be 4.75, right? So you can see is oh okay, so it's up. So we just double click here. We can reverse it, right? So you can see here I just created the helix one, the helix, the profile on which we are going to create the profile, the 3D profile. So here on this plane, you see, yeah, on this plane, we are going to create the shape of the thread. So here, as you can see here, uh, I'm going to draw the shape of that thread part. So what I'm going to do is, let me do a center here, center, which is you can see this one and this point, maybe they should be coincident, like on the same line. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so I just create the file. So if yeah, here, or what I'm going to do is I make sure that end of this point and let's make it coincident, right? So it's coincident. So let me just know from the geometry how much should be this height and how much should be this length. So we really need to know that. Basically, in some cases, just you can look into some trade profiles. So basically, let's approximate the height of the depths. The depths and the pitch are almost the same. Yeah, that's same. Just for you need to do all these details, of course, this truncated line and all this. You need to design it according to the standard. So for this, you can do it the detail, but for my case, what I'm going to do is, so let me just measure from this until here. So it's going to be around 0.12. And this one from this, I think, yeah, here this point is going to be yeah, 0.12 divided to 2, okay, so 0.06, maybe a bit lesser, 0.05, okay. Yeah, so we have here. So what I'm going to do is here for these two, control this line, I'm going to mirror it along this, right? So I can have this profile. So I can have this profile, as you can see. So yeah, I already did this one, right? Oh yeah, I just create this one. So I just exit from the sketch workbench. So here I'm going to rib it around this one. So let me use this one, the rib, I can use this rib. So this is our sketch. This is a sketch, and then the path, we need to give the path here. As you can see here is processing, so I already created the profile. All right, so you can see the preview here, preview of the threaded part. So if you look into the details, you can see, yeah, you can see so sometimes, you know, you can use this reference so that the path should be, yeah, you can use this reference so that it will be straight up. So yeah, you can see yeah, the threaded part. Yeah, so preview here already done. Yeah, this is a threaded part, as you can see. This maybe some, yeah, here. So we just created a threaded part, very sharp end, of course. So we need to cut the land, right? If you are interested, you know, sometimes in order to avoid the sharp end, the thread land, you can edit it. You can go to the sketch here, and you can edit. So you really need to know the standard here, how much you should cut all that way. So you can have, maybe you can, yeah, you can have, so yeah, make sure that this one is vertical. Yeah, it's vertical. So you can trim here. So you can trim, I mean, so you can trim, yeah, you can trim. So you can just update that in order to avoid the sharp corner. All right, so accordingly, yeah, we can see our thread is here. Okay, this is a threaded part of that. Is a threaded part. So yeah, so basically, you know, when you change it to 2D drawing, because this one is a solid part, you don't need to section it. Just put the detail of the threaded part and the links and so on. No sectioning, no need sectioning. So that's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.